Friends and welcome. Today we are going to talk about how to use GRI standards for transparent reporting, 7 steps. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now let's get started. 1. Understand the GRI framework. Start by familiarizing yourself with the GRI standards, including universal, topic, and sector standards. This understanding is crucial for effectively applying the framework to your organization's reporting. 2. Conduct a materiality assessment. Identify the most significant economic, environmental, and social issues through a materiality assessment. This step ensures your report focuses on topics that matter most to your stakeholders. 3. Engage stakeholders. Involve stakeholders in the reporting process. Gather their input on material topics and reporting priorities to ensure your report addresses their concerns and expectations. 4. Collect accurate data. Gather reliable and accurate data for the identified material topics. Implement strong data management practices to ensure transparency and consistency in your reporting. 5. Follow GRI reporting principles. Apply GRI's reporting principles such as accuracy, balance, clarity, and comparability to guide the content and structure of your report. 6. Draft the report. Prepare your report using the GRI standards, ensuring it covers all necessary disclosures. 7. Seek external assurance. Consider obtaining external assurance for your GRI report. Third-party verification enhances credibility and stakeholder trust in your transparency efforts. Conclusion. Using GRI standards for transparent reporting involves understanding the framework, conducting materiality assessments, engaging stakeholders, and following key principles. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.